Per Inside EVs, Volkswagen is shifting gears toward affordable electric vehicles with a new entry-level model set to launch in Europe in 2027. This vehicle, likely named the ID.1, starts at about €20,000, roughly $21,000, and will be developed at its Wolfsburg plant, which the company calls the capital of its all-electric compact class. Volkswagen's plan follows a three-stage strategy of catch-up, attack, and lead in the EV market. Teasers show a compact hatchback with a clean front design, featuring a thick horizontal headlamp surround with an illuminated VW logo and integrated fog lamps in the bumper. It's expected to ride on the modular electric drive platform commonly used across its ID series. Additionally, before this new model hits the market, Volkswagen will release its production version of the €25,000 ID.2 all-hatchback in Europe next year, with a next-generation electric Golf slated for launch later this decade. All these moves are part of a broader strategy aimed at making e-mobility more accessible and turning around challenges in its EV sales as the company faces growing competition both in Europe and from Chinese brands. You are listening to Yuan News.